Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. In today's video and from today's video we will be starting with a series of exercises on sentences. We have already covered all the types of sentences and all this is available in the playlist of sentences in English language. So now the series of exercises will start. Now without any further ado or delay, let's get started. In these sentences, you have to identify the type of sentences. Let's get started. The first sentence before you is lead a life of principles. Lead a life of principles. So this sentence shows advice, right? It shows a recommendation offered in regard to something, right? So this is an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence give instructions, command, request. So in this sentence we seem it as advice. So therefore this sentence is an imperative sentence. This sentence is an imperative sentence. The next sentence is shut the window that's making such a noise in the wind. Shut the window that's making such a noise in the wind. So this particular sentence seems instructing or commanding or ordering or basically this sentence is an imperative sentence because it's giving an instruction or a command. So therefore this is an imperative sentence. Sentence number 3 is what an exhilarating experience it is. Exhilarating means happy, exciting, etc. So this sentence ends up with an exclamation mark, right? So therefore this sentence is an exclamatory sentence because it shows sudden feelings of surprise, sadness, happiness, etc. So therefore this is an exclamatory sentence. Sentence number 4 is you think the boy is lying, don't you? You think the boy is lying, don't you? So therefore this sentence clearly shows an interrogative mark, right? So therefore clearly this sentence is an interrogative sentence because an interrogative sentence asks or inquires a question and you have a question mark that makes it easy to understand that it is interrogative. Sentence number 5 is the Himalayas stand tall protecting us from the icy Arctic winds. The Himalayas stand tall protecting us from the icy Arctic winds. So this sentence seems declaring, it's giving a statement, right? It's asserting, okay? So therefore it is expressing a fact, right? So therefore this sentence is a declarative sentence. This is a declarative sentence. Sentence number 6 is would you like to have some biscuits with your tea? Would you like to have some biscuits with your tea? So you're asking someone's preference, right? And sentence also ends up with a question mark which makes us clear that this is an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks questions and it ends up with an interrogative mark, that is a question mark as a punctuation. Sentence number 7 is go and place a written complaint with the Directorate. Go and place a written complaint with the Directorate. So after reading this sentence we realize that it is giving an advice to someone or it's giving an instruction. So therefore the sentences which gives us instructions, commands, advice, request, invitation or wish are termed as imperative sentence. So this sentence is an imperative one. Sentence number 8 is please exercise some restraint and let no trouble brew. Please exercise some restraint and let no trouble brew. So when you use when you use please, it shows that you are requesting someone. So when we request, we use imperatives which shows request, order, command, etc. So therefore this is an imperative sentences containing request. Sentence number 9 is you must be mindful of the effect of your words before you open your mouth. You must be mindful of the effect of your words before you open your mouth. So this sentence is advising someone, it's giving a suggestion. So therefore this sentence is an imperative sentence, because the person is advising someone to be mindful of their words. So therefore this sentence happens to be imperative in nature. The 10th and the last sentence is, let's go for a walk in the park. Let's go for a walk in the park. So therefore you are inviting someone for doing something. So when we invite, the sentences that invite are imperatives, right? So this sentence also is imperative sentence, because the person is inviting the other person to give a company, okay, to walk in the park. So therefore this sentence is an imperative sentence in the nature. Yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. Until we meet next time, keep learning and keep growing. Also comment down your suggestions in the description box.